আপনি দেখছেন নিউজ নাও, আমরা জানি কোনটা খবর।
To welcome the new year, Positive Barta organized a special tree plantation program in Telangana in the presence of Governor Jishnu Debbarman. Government officials and employees along with citizens from various sectors actively participated in the program, spreading a message of environmental protection and social responsibility. The initiative was led by the women entrepreneurs of Positive Barta. Through their dedicated efforts, the program emerged as a significant example of environmental protection and women empowerment. The organization stated that saplings of various indigenous species were planted during the program, which are helpful in maintaining the ecological balance and combating climate changes. Speaking at the event, Governor Jishnu Debbarman highly praised the initiative by the women entrepreneurs. He stated that women leadership in environmental conservation and social development is a necessity in today's time. Jishnu Debbarman also appealed to the people to plant more trees and adopt an environmentally friendly lifestyle. Those involved believe that this tree plantation program held at the beginning of the new year sent a positive message to society, guiding it towards a greener and more sustainable future.